Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series part 29. Now let's discuss about variable arguments in methods. What is variable arguments in methods? That means the method that takes a number of variable arguments. Okay, that method takes a number of variable arguments. Why we need this type of variable arguments in methods? Because it simplifies the creation of methods that need to take a number of arguments. That's why we need. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have used the static keyword for this function. We already discussed about the static function in the previous video. So there is no need to create the object of this class to call this method. We can call the static method directly with the class name, isn't it? So here I have given the variable length arguments. So if we want to give the variable length arguments, means this is the syntax: data type, 3 dots, and then the name of the variable. So this is the output statement. And here I have used the length property for this variable. So this one returns the length of the arguments. That is, the number of the arguments will be displayed. Okay. And here I have implemented the for each concept. In the last video only we have discussed about the for each method. For each is used to traverse the array or collection. Okay. So this is the arguments. Okay, it holds single argument or no argument or more than one argument. So this is like what? The collection only. For each returns the elements from the arguments one by one, isn't it? This is the counter variable. Its data type is also the same, integer. Okay, and here that element, that is the argument value, will be printed on our console with the space. Okay, and this statement is used to create the new line only, we know. And here is the main method. So the execution starts only from this main method. Okay, and here I have created the 3 call statements. I have created the first call statement. Fun is the name of my function. This is the call statement for this function, and it takes a single argument. Okay, so here I have given 100, and this is also the call statement, but here I have 4 arguments, and this is also the call statement for the same method, but here 0 parameter or argument. If the control encounter this statement, means what happens? The control jumps from this call statement to the method definition. Okay, so here this 100 will be stored inside this arguments. So what is the length of this argument? Single. That is, arguments dot length returns only 1, because here we have a single argument. Okay, and here we have the for each method. So here we have 100. For the first iteration I holds the 100. Okay, that value will be printed on our console with the space. And we will get the new line. And after the execution of all the statements, again the control jumps from the 14th line to 23. Okay, here this is also the call statement, but this call statement holds 4 arguments. So again the control jumps from the 23rd to 6th line, because this is the definition part for this call statement. That's why the control jumps from the 23rd line to the 6th line. Here the arguments holds 4 values: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here arguments dot length return 4, and this arguments holds 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the first iteration the high holds the 1, that value will be printed on our console. Second iteration 2 will be printed, third iteration 3 will be printed, and fourth iteration 4 will be printed. And this line is used to create the new line. Okay, and after the execution of all the statements, again the control jumps from the 14th line to the 25th line. This is again the call statement, but it does not have any parameters. Okay, so the control jumps from the call statement to the method definition, and here this arguments holds nothing. No arguments. Okay, so arguments dot length return 0 only. and here also there is no parameters. So it returns nothing. Okay, now let me execute this one. For this call statement, we got this result. Number of arguments is only 1 and the argument value is 100. And the number of arguments for this call statement is 4 and the argument values are 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number of arguments for this call statement is 0. Nothing is printed here. Okay, we can pass different number of arguments for the same method definition. I hope you all understand. So, there is no need to create the method definitions for different number of arguments. So, this is the advantage of variable length arguments in method. So, with the help of the variable length arguments in methods, there is no need to create more than one function definitions for different number of parameters. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.